Hello, I'm back. Troy McCracken with Spectrum Incorporated. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what I call the telecom rant. We recently came in contact with a customer that has about 3,000 devices. And they're having a hard time understanding the value that we bring. So today we're going to talk about the over and under. And what I mean by that is, did you know 80% of the profit from the wireless carriers comes from their over usage or the under usage of your services? So they're planning on and they're banking on you not using the services you're paying for or using more than the services that you paid for. So let me explain. This customer has about 3,000 devices and they're looking to grow to 10,000 devices. Okay? And they believe they've negotiated a great rate for their services. And they very well have. Okay? No doubt about it. We're not the only people out there that can negotiate wireless provider rates and cost structures. However, what they fail to realize, and what we're trying to get them to understand, is that regardless of the rate you have, where you're going to have a problem is whether you overutilize the services you're paying for or underutilize the services you're paying for. So let me give you an example. If they have 10,000 gig of data, all right, right now with 3,000 devices, and they add 1,000 devices, does that just mean that now they're going to add another, 2,000 gig? Maybe, maybe not. They're not sure. In this situation where they're deploying these devices, they're not sure what that usage is going to be. So how do you plan for that? You can't. What happens is you get a bill and go, crap, my bill just went up $30,000. Why did it go up? Well, great, we went up from 10,000 gig to 12,000 gig. Okay, well then we need to have a buffer next month, so let's make it 13,000 gig and we'll be good to go. Then what happens? For whatever reason, the next month you go to 8,000 gig. You just overpaid 5,000 gig that you didn't have to pay. So how do you avoid that? Simple. You engage Spectrum. Why? Because we have the tools and the knowledge and the resources to be able to make sure that you pay for the services that you use. Simple as that. We're able to optimize your services on a pre-invoice basis. Every single day, our team of experts goes in, looks at your invoice and your usages and makes sure that you're paying for what you actually use. So we have to change plans midstream, then we can do that. So when your bill comes, if you used 14,000 gig of data, then you have plans that reflect 14,000 gig of data. If you use 8,000 gig of data, you have plans revised to reflect 8,000 gigs of data. So that's a little tidbit that you might want to know. Feel free to give us a call. I'd love to have a conversation with you and hope to hear from you soon.